In the next couple of slides, we're going to talk about the function of the cerebellum. So why do you have a cerebellum? Well, the cerebellum is really important for all of your motor behaviors. It compares your intended motor behavior with what's actually happening, and it helps you adjust, okay? So it gets input from the brainstem and spinal cord, where your motor centers are, and then it sends output back into the motor cortex. So when you think about it, you imagine doing a particular motor behavior, like the perfect layup or riding your bicycle. And as you're doing those things, you've imagined the motion. Your cerebellum then kind of checks in with your cortex and with your sensory information from the spinal cord and brainstem and says, ah, yeah, you're getting it right, or oh no, we need to adjust a little bit. And it helps with those adjustments. The cerebellum also helps a lot with balance. So the cerebellum receives a lot of information from the vestibular system in your middle ear. We'll talk about the vestibular system a little bit when we talk about cranial nerve 8. But you know that your middle ear is associated with balance. And the cerebellum is highly connected via the brainstem to your middle ear to allow you to compensate for balance. And of course, then sends that information back out to the motor cortex to help you adjust your behaviors. And the cerebellum is incredibly important for muscle tone and synergy. So when you go to pick up, your laundry basket or pick up an egg, you have a really good idea of how much muscle force you need to use. The cerebellum helps you coordinate the balance between your flexors and extensors so that you pick up your laundry basket with just the right amount of force and don't try to pick it up and then fall over into it, or you don't pick it up and throw your clothes all over the place. It also allows for that kind of fine motor control that you need to adjust to when you're picking up an egg versus picking up a rock. So it helps you with the amount of force or the amount of contraction that you need to use in each of your muscle groups in order to perform a smooth and elegant motor behavior. In the next section, we'll talk more about the cerebellar cortex.